This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the fuse box on the driver's side of the fascia and identify the fuel pump fuse. Using the tweezers clipped to the fuse box cover, pull out the fuel pump fuse. Now start the engine and allow it to idle until it stops. The fuel system is now depressurized. Turn off the ignition. Chock the front wheels, then position the jack head under the reinforced section of the door sill flange and raise the left-hand rear corner of the vehicle. Support the vehicle by placing an axle stand under the reinforced section of the sill flange. The filter is located at the front left-hand corner of the fuel tank. Squeeze the tabs and disconnect the quick release fittings from each end of the filter. Be prepared for fuel spillage. Plug the open ends of the hoses to prevent contamination. Some filters are retained by a clamp and a bolt, whilst others are retained by a metal clip. Where applicable, using pliers, release the clip, rotate the filter and remove the rubber pad, or undo the bolt and release the clamp. Withdraw the filter from the clip or clamp, noting the arrow on the side of the filter indicating fuel flow. Locate the new filter into the metal clip or clamp, then refit the rubber pad between the tank and the filter. Secure the metal clip with pliers or refit and tighten the clamp bolt. Remove the plugs and press the hoses firmly onto the filter pipes. Refit the fuel pump fuse and fuse box cover, then turn the ignition on. The fuel pump will run and pressurize the system. Check around the filter for leaks. Lower the vehicle to the ground and remove the wheel chocks.